In a sun-beaten alley, a bicycle repair stall owner saw a future beyond wheels and gears, dreaming big. He repurposed discarded bike frames into affordable solar lanterns, taught himself basic engineering, budgeting, and microfinancing from scratch. With a community loan circle and patient mentors, the lanterns lit up homes, schools, and small shops, dramatically cutting night's costs. The venture scaled by partnering with local manufacturers, training artisans, and exporting to neighboring towns, turning waste into wealth and hope. Today, the founder oversees a thriving social enterprise that fuels jobs, education, and clean light for thousands.